I'm going to show you how to navigate your dashboard and change an essential rewards order, just in case you've never done that before. So let me go ahead and sign on. And when I sign on, the first thing it does is it brings you to your dashboard. And your dashboard has a lot of information on it. It has, if you're on Essential Rewards, your dashboard looks pretty similar to mine. Up here, it will tell you your points balance. If you're not on Essential Rewards, it'll ask you if you want to enroll with Essential Rewards or join now, I think is what they say. If you're on Essential Rewards, it'll tell you your monthly order, PV that you have in your cart ready to go. If you have anything in a quick order, I like to keep something on a quick order that I need. It's kind of like my list in my head of what I need. So my quick order always has numbers there, but you might not have anything here. Your reward points, these are the things that, this is the same up here. This is the things that you earn points on when you buy things on your Essential Rewards order. And depending on the amount of PV that you spend in your Essential Rewards order will determine your points here. I cannot leave points there. I don't save it up like some people do. But as soon as I get a good amount and there's something in my quick order that I need, I use my points to buy it or get it for free. So my points balance looks pretty sad because I like to use my points that I get from my monthly orders. So that's not a big deal. It's really good because that's what they're there for. All right, so let's go ahead and talk a little bit about placing an order. All right, so there's two ways to place an order. If you're on Essential Rewards, you can do your monthly order in Essential Rewards. If you're not on Essential Rewards, the quick order button would be what you would go to. Now, Essential Rewards members can place a quick order, but you only want to place your quick order as your second order in that month. Okay, so your Essential Rewards order will process regardless if you place a quick order along with, in that month. So be aware that the first thing you want to do is you want to learn how to change your Essential Rewards order. So let's do that right now. All right, so I'm going to come on. I clicked on Essential Rewards. You have this little setup that you see over here. And this is your monthly order. This is how you can view or change your order. And down here, you can also change your processing date, manually process if you want to force it that day. And you can also view order histories as well. So anytime you wanted to change a date, you can change it. It doesn't matter if you wanted to change it next month for later, earlier, or whatever, you can change that at any time. It's never nailed down. If you wanted to process it that day, you can always choose that as well. Obviously, I did that. Next thing I want to show you is how to change your order. So when you click on Essential Rewards, the top left is where you would change your order. And I'm clicking the Change Your Order button. And this is where you would find all the things that you can browse on that we have, the products that we have in Young Living. So at the very top right is your oils, and you have your supplements, you have your Sleek, your Ningxia Red, you have Thieves line, Kids line, and your baby stuff, even animals if you're into animals. Your personal care products, that's got your Savvy in it. At the very bottom is something that I found a couple months ago that I wanted to share with you. At the very bottom, only in Essential Rewards do you have the opportunity to get Essential Rewards kits. So these are kits that are only available for Essential Rewards members, and it's something that I was very excited about when I found it. There are only 3 different things, but it has the best values of Ningxia Red. It's the best value for Ningxia Red, especially if you use it daily or if your entire family uses Ningxia. This is the best value that you can get for Ningxia Red. It comes with 4 bottles and 30 single packs. So it's something that I place on at least every other month or every 3rd month for our family, just because my husband's using Ningxia packs, my kids are drinking it, I'm drinking it daily. So this is something that is going to be cost efficient for our family. So let's look at a couple things when you put things in your order. So you can see that I've already added the Ningxia Red Essential Rewards item. And notice that I also have a freebie in my cart. The promotional items are always going to be underneath your products that you put in your cart. And your promotional items start at 100 PV when you're on Essential Rewards. If you're not on Essential Rewards, your promotional items only start at 190. And Essential Rewards members get extra promos that people that are not on Essential Rewards won't see at all. So that's, again, just perks for being a loyal member, a loyal Essential Rewards member. So I'm going to put in a couple of items so you can see the promotional items. And so let's go ahead and put something in. I'm going to put in an oil. Let's do massage oil. Okay, so I'm going to put Sensation Massage Oil because it's February. I don't know if you're watching this later, it might not be February, but anyways. All right, so when I put in that massage oil, you can see it down here. You can also see that it was added when you're putting it in. And then you can also see my promotional items have gone up. So I'm at 222 PV. And remember, your PV is in this column and your total is over here. Most of the time your PV and your total is the same. Sometimes it's not. And let me show you for instance where it's not. Like a diffuser is not buck for buck with the PV. So you can see, like, let's look at a Desert Mist diffuser. The PV and the dollar amount is not the same. So even though your dollar is going to be higher, your PV is not going to be the same amount as your dollar amount. So my PV is only at 261, which did increase my promotional items, but my dollar amount is a little higher than that. So just be aware that PV does not always mean dollar for dollar, especially if you're not buying an oil. And some of the expensive oils are not equal with PV. Like Rose is a very expensive oil, and its PV is not equivalent to the dollar amount that it is. So just for instance. All right, so let me take this out and this out, and let me save my order. I was just playing around with that. So I'm going to save my order, and once you save my order, it's ready for processing whenever that processing date is. And I encourage you guys to save it as soon as possible. Your quick order looks exactly the same. The promos are just a little different, like I said, and you will see your promos below your products as long as you hit the designated PV for that order. So again, if you're doing a quick order, your PV promos will start at 190 instead of 100. So that's basically it for your Essential Rewards order. So just be cautious. If you're on Essential Rewards and you wanted to do an extra order in the month, the quick order is where you need to go for that extra order. But your main purchase or your first purchase of the month, you want to always make sure you change your monthly order on Essential Rewards, because if you don't change it, it will process the same order that you had for the previous month. So, and it doesn't matter if you do a quick order first. I'm just saying, if you do a quick order, know that your Essential Rewards order will still process as is. So you have to change it from month to month. And if you have any questions on this, please let me know.